right, and we're back with another episode of me just blabbering about my project. Um, it's Saturday, May 31st, and it's 12 p.m. Um, here in Winnipeg. Anyway, so what do we have here? Still have the same thing that we were working on, for this week. It's a small project where we just aim to sort of build a better version of a build and price um, system for dealerships, like car dealerships, right? Because it's a more interactive way of viewing a car, and I don't know, it's just more immersive, basically. So what we're trying to do is that we're trying to go VR on this in the future, if we'll be able to actually afford a VR. But for now, we're going AR, which is augmented reality. Um, I believe that you can buy AR headsets online, but you know, I mean, we want to keep our budget tight on this. I'm not spending anything. I'm just using all brain power for this one. So yeah. So right now we have our model loaded here, and we were able to fix our the glitch that we were experiencing in the previous episode. So now I'm already tracking um, the device orientation. As you can see there, it's updating depending on how I move the device. We're using Safari for this one. So yeah, it Safari is actually very powerful now. Um, the only thing that I find out will be a challenge for this project is that Safari doesn't fully support WebXR. So I need to find like another a workaround for that by learning how to do machine learning, so that I'll be able to gauge like distances instead of using the GPS. I tried using the GPS in order to move around the car, but it doesn't work. It doesn't work very well because um how can I explain this? It doesn't GPS doesn't really send real-time signal. So, I mean, to your phone, and then pass it to Safari. So, yeah, there'll be a lag, so it's kind of jumpy every time I move around the car. It's jumping around the car, and I was like, nope, this is not the correct solution for this. I need to learn machine learning in order to be able to move around the car. So, I'm thinking of researching on it. But one of the options that I'm thinking of is TensorFlow, but TensorFlow cannot really distinguish distance. It can only distinguish shapes, and you know, it's not going to be effective by itself. So I need to combine it with different ML models. Um, but yeah, for this one, the car's good. If I start the AR experience, oh wait, if I start the AR experience, wait, let me refresh so that we can position the car properly. As you can see, the car is already inside, and even if I rotate my phone, the car stays in wait the car stays in the correct orientation. um what I can do right now is that I can uh move using the mouse, I mean the touch feature of my phone. Then I can rotate this car. But if I rotate this car, I need to keep on constantly moving around the 3D space as well, because uh, because it thinks that I'm walking. So yeah, being able to what do you call this? It's hard to explain, but I sort of need to rotate as well, like in like IRL, like as if I was the one who's walking around the car. But yeah, but using my, you know, my fingers to navigate. So let's go inside the car. I'll start the AR experience again. Actually, doesn't want me to do that. Okay, there. Was able to open the door. I'm not gonna use the AR for this one. It's hard to demo because my camera's fixed in like on a stand, and yeah, it's not gonna work. So what we want to do here now is that, you know, want to go inside the car, and then I think from here we can start the AR experience. But I tried the AR experience for this one. I can literally look inside a car. Wait, let me see if I can do it here from here. Yeah. Where are we looking at right now? Oh, we're looking at the, what do you call this? At the back of the car. Wait. Hmm. I think if I do this and then start AR. No. Okay. Now I know how to do it. All right. In order for us to go to the steering uh, column, what I'm gonna do is that, um, yep, I'm gonna go here, move ourselves to the right. Uh, yeah. There, and then start AR. Hopefully this works. No, it's still looking at the back. All right. So forget about that. The only way to experience this is to actually load this on your phone. I'm gonna provide you with a link later, so that you can actually move around the car and experience it. Um, but again, our some of the buttons are interactive, like the hazard button. If I press on this, um, the the blinkers are gonna start working, right? And if I press on the headlights, I don't have it mapped inside the car yet. It's gonna turn the headlights on. So cool. Yeah, something like that. Adding to, I'm planning to add engine sounds and everything, where you can sort of like twist the key or something to give you a more immersive experience. But yeah, that's it. If you're curious about why my camera looks like this right now, it's because I'm using an anamorphic lens. Um, yeah, which helps when it comes to adding effects to this video. I get all these lens flare in front of me because of that lens. And yeah, look. Let me show you. Where's the sun? Can we reach the sun from here? There we go. The sun's up above. Like you can see, there's a natural lens flare there. But yeah, that's that's what it does. If you're curious what I'm using, what camera I'm using right now, I'm just using a phone right now. I'm just really into, you know, this kind of stuff. So yeah, on to the next episode again. I believe I won't be able to post um, videos in the next few days because I need to look for a job. So I want to focus on that part first, before these extra small projects. I believe that I do have the skills already, and I hope my employers or potential employers will see this. But yeah, I'll see you guys. Peace.